I hope that surprised you. I was trying to frighten people. How are you going? Hey there, Mr. Fist. Yes, I'm also trying to find out what a PNGTuber is. But I'm working on a new video essay about the Diamond comics that I do dramatic readings of sometimes. And yeah, I was having a little think about, well, I was thinking about how am I going to narrate this? Do I want to have my face? And I thought, no. to, like, a part of me just wants to save my face for streaming and for PUA for women because I think it's funnier that way. Um, but oh, whoops. This is no, go away. Oh dear. Off to a good start as usual. Yeah, so these are like the sort of animatics that I've used in previous video essays, but it's kind of a pain in the arse to organize, like to make them. Like it's very time consuming to use them. And I thought, well, I could probably like edit live if I create a PNG tuber. Um, because basically what I've got, so if I open up Photoshop here, which hopefully I won't have to use for much longer. Yeah, I know. But this is it, Ravane Crowford. This is what I'm going to be doing is converting this into an actual PNG tuber so that it will like respond to my face. And yeah, because yeah, like I was just sort of thinking about, oh, VTuber, that's kind of fun. It's something I'd like to look into at some point just as a novelty, which is a terrible reason to try and get into something that's so time and cost consuming. Um, but yeah, then I was looking into what it would take and was also looking into PNG tubers, which seemed to be a cheaper alternative. And it's basically just this, you know? It's basically just having a single like like layers of images that you use. You'll need big shiny anime art. No, I'm not going that far. I'm basically just going to I'm not going to change anything about this. But I have this software called PNGTuber Plus, which is free software. Look at that. And it's responding to my voice very poorly. Yes. Bounce. Awesome. Yes. Yes. I love how suspiciously I'm looking back at myself. But anyway, so this is like a free software that you can use. And I was going to go through some tutorials and see if I can like superimpose my own self onto this. So if we look here, it's got like head, hat, eye. How do I like not hat? I don't want hat. Delete? Nope. Nope, that's not an option. But anyway, it seems pretty relatively intuitive and relatively simple. My understanding is you basically just need like a closed mouth and open mouth version to start out with. But I'd like to go one step further and just have like all the responses. I think it'd be really cool to have a really sophisticated one, which basically is just this, but like a talking one. I think that would be really cool. Then I can do like the bunny ear thing. Oh. Yeah, you get what I mean. That thing. I can do that like live. That would be really cool. Because I've got a stream deck and I can just like pre-program the stream deck to have all the different things. Yeah. But yes, so first I need to learn how to use this program. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then we're going to finish off with a lovely with 100%ing Who's Lila, because I did most of it. I think I've just got maybe 5 or 6 endings left. Oh, you need to put bunny ears on your... No, that's not going to happen. Although, I will show you. So another thing that I've been thinking about is... where's my downloads folder? Yeah, so... I found these like emote bases by this person called Lomon or Taki Mikiku that you can get from Coffee. And I thought, well, like that seems like it'll be easy enough to like put my own stuff on top. That would be fun to do. So I purchased them. Like, I know it's free, but like, they put a lot of effort into it. So it seems kind of silly to not pay people for doing a good public service. You know what I mean? But yes, sorry, back to what you were saying. The VTuber in Death Stranding 2? Oh, gee, say it ain't so. This is a very large Photoshop file, but you mentioned bunny ears. And in these emote bases, there's a bunny ears version of every single emote that this person has painstakingly put in, which justified me giving them money, even though it's technically free. I just think that in today's age of like AI and like slop, when people produce something that's good, like even if it's not for free, just chuck a few dollars. It's just a nice thing to do. Of course, if you're able to, if you have the means, and I have the means, so therefore, I really should be doing that. You know what I mean? I'm not saying everyone else has to do it, but so Jay, yeah, bunny ears. Look at that. Cav_PNG. That's me. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Whoops. No. Let's zoom in. Yeah, you got little bunny ears. Oops. Then you got little pointy ears. Got little cat wolf ears. Very cute. The very detailed butt on 05. Let's see. Where's O? 05. Oh my goodness. Let's scroll down to that and see what the editing options are. Can you make them rosy? No, it's just the same. Bunny ears. Oh, flop. Oh, you got a little tail as well. That's extra gross. Because it's like a realistic human butt with a rabbit tail. That's odd. Something that's odd about that. Okay, at least they didn't do it for the cat. I think that would have been a bit overdrive for me. Bunny ears on the butt. Definitely need a Cav P emote of that because I'm always showing off my bum, as we know. Anyway, so this is something that I might fiddle with at some point on a stream. I think it would be fun. The reason why I came across these was because I discovered like there's a website, VGen. You need the Christianity emote? Yes, absolutely. And the snot bubble one. What's it called? It's like VGen? VGen.co, which is like another sort of like no AI assets for streamers and things like that. And I was just sort of like curious to see what they've got on there. And yeah, I see all of these people who do like your character here emotes. Emotes and badges. For one thing, I think this is great for artists who do like streamer stuff. It's really really cool marketplace, as far as I'm aware. But yeah, I just noticed a lot of very similar looking emote expressions. You know what I mean? And I was like, that's odd. One of them has to be the original. Who is copying whom? And then I found out this free base sort of thing. And I'm like, oh, I see. Okay, so they're taking this person's free labor and then they're doing their own thing on top of that. Which, you know, this is free for use as long as you attribute the person. Still, there's just something a little bit off about that to me. Anyway, so back to the matter at hand. We've got PNGTuber Plus. I don't know, Rebecca, have you got any experience with using like PNGTuber stuff? I know that like you use like a 2D live thing, right? Is that a beard? No, that's hair. But yes, PNGTuber is what I'm working with at the moment. I feel like there's an in-joke that's happening on stream at the moment in the chat. I don't know what it's referring to. Oh, you don't have experience with PNGTuber Plus? That's okay. I got a tutorial here and I figured we can just have a little fun going through. You use VideoTube Mini. VideoTube Mini. What is that? Collection of tools of virtual puppetry. Okay, let's have a look at that. Oh! Easy to set up. Add some spice to it. Because I did some browsing online and I saw a lot of people were using PNGTuber and sort of swore by it. Yeah. What are the benefits of VideoTube for you? Featuring distressed animals. Yes, apparently. Download for free. There's VideoTube Mini and VideoTube. So one of them is different expressions, additional slots. Use Stream Deck. Oh, I have the Stream Deck. Maybe that's Oh, you can use avatars from Hunk and PNGTuber Plus. Connect sprites together and apply different effects and... Like, what's the difference between an avatar and a dynamic 2D avatar? Add more states. Maybe I'll get both of them. Well, if I don't know what it is... Maybe let's start with PNGTuber Plus. And if I get lost, the one on the left only has 2 frames. Oh, you're right. Yes, it does. Oh, and it's just wobbling. I mean, this one's probably the same, but it seems to have, like, a little bit more dynamics. So maybe let's stick with this for the time being, but I will keep that tab open for the time being. Oh, and before we start proper, sorry, I'm getting distracted. I should probably take one of my tablets. But, so I'm doing a thing, my next video is going to be about the prawn comics that I read on stream sometimes, and haven't done for a while, and probably should again, because they're a lot of fun. But yeah, I found that the official teaser for the 2019 show, and I wanted to share that. Oh! Is that loud for you? No, I don't think it's too loud. Let me know if it's too loud. But anyway, without further ado, let's just watch this for like 59 seconds and enjoy. There's Raka. Oh, there's more. Time for those Indian bagpipes. Indian bagpipes are a holy tradition, as we all know. I love that that's the recommended video. Wonderful. Anyway, so obviously I'm going to include a little sample of that in my video because it's amazing. And more racist than I was expecting it to be. But there you go. Anyway, where's the tutorial that I just had open? Here we go. The other recommendation is failed 90s cartoons, just to get ahead of expectations. It's like a failed 90s cartoon, but in 2019. So, there you go. Set your microphone to the correct one. I think I've set it to the correct one. I'm getting really sick of seeing this person's face. Just saying. Let me zoom in so that we can see, so that everyone can read along. Okay, yeah, so I already fiddled around with like the two sliders that they mentioned here. There's like the one to change your microphone, and then there's there was some thing where one of them's the microphone sensitivity and the other one's about how long your mouth stays open. They've got that's it. That's it. I knew there was something about it that made me uncomfortable. You're absolutely right. Let's change it ASAP. Okay, so we're in the editing section. Click on any sprite to select it. Now, okay, like the thing is, I would like to, no. Load avatar. No? Add new sprite. It would be nice if you could, like, this would be ideal if you could use PSD files. Oh, trying to form coherent thoughts about PNGTuber software. PNGTuber Plus is looking like you can rig your model up with a bit more detail with layers and stuff, and I think the full paid version of VideoTube has that as well. VideoTube Mini is nice in that you just need up to 4 images and you're sorted. Okay. I mean, like smug wanker of a drawing. I will, I promise. Yeah, part of me is wondering if just getting started, maybe I should work with the... No, let's jump right into the deep end and just try and use this person's face as inspiration, just to up the urgency of me having to move my my avatar into that one. So yeah, we have like hundreds and hundreds of layers that I did. Why don't let's have a basic one. Eyes closed. Eyes angry. Yes, that's what we want. This is gonna be the first one, I think. Oh, actually, no. Let's look at the audience. Yeah, right in your face. Eternal fury. That's right. And left arm. What do we want? Why is that arm sort of slightly uncovered? I wonder. Oh, yes, that one's a good one. Okay, rest under chin. Well, let's do right under chin. Rest under chin. Yes! Oh, thank you. I'm glad you like the design. This is what I use for my video essays. And the reason why I'm sort of fiddling around with this now is not necessarily because I want to use this for streaming, although, I don't know, it's kind of cool, but no, I like my face. I like my face just fine. But because I used it for video essays, but it's quite time consuming to like put out the animatics every time. Like to give you an example of what they look like in action, I think Jim Carreython probably starts with them. Here we go. Let's do the cable guy.
Turns out that my nostalgic Jim Carrey-thon couldn't have come at a better time, as less than a month ago a trailer was released for an upcoming live-action film adaptation of Sonic the Hedgehog, starring none other than our man Jim himself as Dr. Robotnik. As far as I can tell from the trailer, Carrey seems to be doing his overconfident, eccentric genius shtick in this new role.
Are you in charge here?
Yes, I am.
Nope!
I'm wrong. I'm in charge.
Allow me to clarify. In a sequentially ranked hierarchy based on level of critical importance, the disparity between us is too vast to quantify. Agent Stone?
The doctor thinks you're basic.
Oh no, and now my video is gonna be flagged for like music copyright. Got a bloody Gangster's Paradise. Damn you, Jim. Anyway.
In the 90s, you liked both these things as children. Now you can and will like them again. Drop that avocado toast and put that unstable millennial income to good use. Will the film be any good?
Yeah, anyway, so that's basically how I've used it before. But I'm sort of wondering whether maybe it, like, would it be easier if I can, like, be doing it live, as Alex Jones would put it. And, can't joke about avocado toast here now. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. I'll cop that. Yeah, it's, my curse is having supportive middle-class parents who can afford to sacrifice their retirement fund to help their children to get a house that they otherwise would not in a million years be able to afford. Because now I can't make avocado toast jokes. Because you're correct. Oh, I've got an evil grin here somewhere. I think what's going to be a good talkie face? Small talk left. Rage big. Ugh. Why is some of it cut off at the side? Wide mouth. Shout left. Mouth grin. Mouth smile closed middle. Mouth angry. Diagonal left. I want evil small smile. Mouth evil grin. Yes, that's what we want. But then what? How do I talk? What's going to be my open mouth one? Mouth happy middle. Mouth furious. Mouth. Where are my open mouths? Mouth. I've got talk left, but then that's weird. Happy huge? Maybe that'll do it. How is that? Let's go with that. I think that would be funny. Okay, so what I'm gonna do then is I think you need to have a body and you need to have a head. Like you need to sort of save these as PNG files. So what I can do, scroll down, get rid of my background. Oh, that looks cool. It's very cool. Miscellaneous. What's miscellaneous? Paranoia lines. Oh, I did so much detail for this. Teardrop, main setup. I think main setup is what I want. Yeah, there we go. Body. Do I really need the table? And where does the microphone go? Is the microphone part of the body? No, it's not. Oh, the body includes the face. Interesting. I mean, the thing is, yeah, no, I don't think I need the microphone. So how do I get rid of it? Oh, the microphone's in miscellaneous. Microphone in stand. Okay, there we go. So, all I need to do is... Isn't this fun? How's everyone's week been, by the way? Hope you've been well. What have you all been up to? I've been working on my PhD confirmation presentation, which is happening on Tuesday. And I'm trying not to think about it. Okay, so there's my body. So I guess I save as, no, export, quick export as PNG. And maybe, why don't we make a new in my D drive, projects, and we'll say animatics. I think I'm gonna burp, hopefully not. So they say body.png. So why don't we call that body.png? Oh, we have body. And then we need, oh, we've already got head. Hat is basically hair. Would be cool if I could get that hair to sort of swish. Just like IRL. Hair. And then what? We've got, oh, what are the different eyes? I'm guessing one of them is looking at the camera. Oh, one of them's blinking. Okay, one of them's blink. One of them is looking to one side, and one of them is looking to the camera. Okay, all right. So, yes, I've saved hair. We have eyes front. Eyes evil front. No, it's not, they're not evil eyes. Eyes angry front. And I think I've got one which is them looking away. Yes. Eyes angry side. And now we need a blink, I guess. Eyes closed. Smug. Eyes closed was the very next one. That looks too happy. Well, let's see whether it looks awkward. Eyes blink. Now, mouth. Where is my mouth? On my face. Mouth evil grin. Because I'm sure there's an evil angry in there as well. Now I just need the open one. Mouth exaggerated middle. I need that, but like the other way around. Rage big. No. Where was it? Happy huge. There we go. Nearly there. Mouth. What was it again? It was... Mouth happy huge, let's say. Again, just so that I can tell which ones they are. Mouth happy huge. And I think we've got it. So now I just need to, I think, copy and paste all of those into PNGTuber. I need to... Oh God, I don't want to look at you. You're unpleasant. Path user. There's no browse? No. Why would there be? Okay, so I just need to find this... Wait, what? Oh, toggle what? The visibility of hidden files. Refresh files. Go to parent folder. Okay, well, let's find the parent folder of PNGTuber Plus. PNGTuber Plus will probably be, I imagine, in the Steam folder. So that'd be in local files? Steam. Steam apps, common, PNGTuber Plus. Nope. Okay, maybe this is for me to look at the tutorial. So how do we open a new one? Only PNG images will work. Oh, data folder is located at. Aha, okay. See, users, name, app data, roaming, got it. App user data, PNGTuber Plus. Cow Life Simulator. Didn't realize I had a game called Cow Life Simulator. Okay, so I guess I just put them here. Alright. So I've just pasted a whole bunch of things. Yes. Okay, so now open. What have I done? How do I get rid of you? Oh, right. Well, I don't want to get rid of it just yet because Festival Billiard Room standing in a field looking vacant. I know. So hair, I guess I'll put next. I'm weighing the other character down, I think. How do I make it reliant on it? Maybe I have to go to link? What? Ah, what? No, 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 no. Other way around. Undo. What have I done? What? No. Body. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. How do I change the... Oh, maybe I... Oh. I'm so confused. Okay, let's delete that. Oh, hair has... Oh no, that's your hair, not mine. The Calbecker rebrand. Okay, we start with body, and then we add hair, and then we cannot click and drag, we cannot right click, but we can link. Oops, we can link hair to body. Ah, okay, yep. All right. There we go. And now we have angry front. And we link that to body again. Yeah. And now replace sprite with a different sprite. Loads avatar data from file. Do I? Of course, yeah. Hold on a second, I'll just grab it. How dare you question me and my hat? There we go. I mean, to be fair, this is possibly the 4th iteration of this hat, because, yeah, just quiet. Yeah, different things have happened to the hats over the years. But that's another story for another day. But yeah, no, this is, I take this around with me because it's a hat that happens to suit me. And I started wearing it before the milady thing happened. Just to make that absolutely clear. I'm not gonna let a bunch of shitty men ruin my hat for me. Okay, so now, making your first, oh, okay. Now that you understand the basics of the sprite editor options, look at me bouncing up and down. It's adorable. Following along with me before, diving into using your own sprites. Deleting the default sprites, yes, good. Since every sprite is a root of the body, it will delete everything, yes. Now we're just me bouncing around. Next up, yes, I've done that. I've added body, I've added hat, I've added all that, yep. Select the body and change its movement. How do I change its movement? So, wait. Give it a nice sway. Okay, this is where I should have probably, okay, movement. Oh, this is okay, on talking button. Don't show the sprite when the user is talking. Oh, that's clever. Okay. All right, well, okay, I think I'm picking it up. Oh, the quote? I mean, the bot's dead? Let me, why does this happen? And why does it always try to, like, Streamlabs is basically always in Japanese for me. I never once changed the language to Japanese. Oh well. Yeah, CloudBot is off. It's on, it should be on now. Okay, so this is now linked to body. I love that I have powerful farts. When did that? Oh dear. Okay, on talking button. Which one's the on talking button? Is it this? Ah, okay. So this is the mouth closed. Mama, I am talking. Yeah, that seems to be it. Let's have a little look. Yes, I am talking. Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh my goodness. Ma, 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 ma. Yes, okay. So. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Apparently my mouth opens even when I go mm. Cool. So now I guess I do the blink. The blinking thing. Let's then edit again. So, okay, I'm getting the hang of this. Generally things are pretty, I'm pretty intuitive with learning new software. I think anyway. So, eyes, angry front. Which one is the one? Where's the unblinking button? Oh, that's this one. Eyes, angry front. Blink. Cool. Animation frames. How many sprites? How many frames are in the sprite sheet? Okay. How long it takes to loop through the sprite sheet sprites. Okay, because I've got like a very static one at the moment, so ignore bounce velocity. I never want to ignore bounce velocity. How can I squash myself? Oh, whoops, I just realized that that's for the closed eyes thing, so probably I should put that on nothing. There we go. Squash! Yeah! Yes! How do I, like, how do... Do I just do that when I talk? This is stupid. What's drag? Drag. Okay. Interesting. Untalking. This squishes or squashes the sprite based on its vertical Y movement. Layer or Z index. Oh, where does it say that? Oh, okay, right. Sprite space position. What else do we need? I guess that's basically it, right? Making your first avatar. Now that you understand the basics of the sprite editor options, let's run through how you can make a real avatar. Yep, okay, I've done that. Rotational drag to 6. Well, I want to do that. So let's do that with, let's do -6 to the hat. Oh, yes! I got a wobbly hat! Oh my goodness, look at my head! Yes! That's so weird! Why? It's just... It's like I'm wearing a toupee! This is amazing. What about that? Oh! Oh, that's silly. Tip's hair, milady. Okay, what about that? Maybe if I put it on 1. How's that? Yeah, it's just got a slightly wobbly head. Hairpiece. Okay. So, what is X frequency and amplitude? X frequency and amplitude. Unlink sprite. Now, I guess the interesting thing will be to look into what other expressions I can give myself. Because that's cool. I guess that's next step. Now our boy has nice flowing locks. The hat now rotates with Y-axis movement. However, wait, does that mean that I can move? No, I don't think... What? Does it just bounce every time the person talks? Is that how this works? You might notice that the hat now rotates with Y-axis movement. However, the pivot point isn't entirely accurate. How? Oh, wait. Oh, okay, sorry. How do I undo? Oh, shit, no. I've ruined it. Oh, gee. Oh, this is the worst. I've ruined it. Okay. I think that's okay, right? Okay. Yep. Yeah, this is fine. Yes. Oh, I didn't put my arms in. Forgot about my arms. Did I not? Oh, I didn't even save my arms. Okay, let's give me some arms. What was this one again? Arm left, rest under chin. Under chin. And now arm right. Rest under chin. You keep your limbs in a Git repo? The right to bear arms. I get it. Arm right, rest under chin. I've been doing that armless the whole time. Okay, where's my... Let's plop that down. Give me some arms and see what difference that makes. Oh, this is exciting. Yeah. Why are my arms bouncing? Okay, that makes a bit more sense. Yes. Okay. Yes, I'm just sitting there watching everything happening, and I'm evil. Okay, well, let's try a different expression, and then we can learn how to change from one thing to another. So, what about... Oops. That's a good one. Eyes confused. Eyes confused. Front. And I guess I'd need a different mouth for that. So glad I made all of these in advance. Well, the problem is that now I can't see. I don't know what I'm looking at. Okay, let's get the hair, body, and then eyes. What was it? It was confused. Look at audience. Yeah, that's probably a good one. But then I need like a talking one. Oh. That would be good if I had like a mouth closed version that was there. No. Smile, tiny left. Shout left. No. Closed middle. Oh, maybe that's what I want. But I probably don't want the small one. I probably want the no. Small evil smile. Angry left, angry middle. Mouth determined middle. I basically just want like sad small right. Mouth round left. Mouth small middle? Oh, geez. How many of these did I have? Mouth talk happy left. I just want a closed version of that. Oh, you know what? I can just make one. I'm an artist. I drew these. Why am I stressing out over this? Oh my goodness. What an arse. Okay, so first of all, we export this one as wait, what was it? Mouth exasperated middle. And now I just need to find the that and just like it says small middle, but it's not. So maybe given that it's not and it should be, I can just wait. Oi! What? No! I want to move small closed middle, please. Why is it making me move? Oh, okay, right. Small closed oh, right. Wait. Where is small closed middle? I just want to move you. And you know what? I could just do it within that file as well. There's really no need for me to do it in here. I'll just see. Now it's too far that side. Oh, I'm doing it again. I'm getting all unnecessarily... Okay, that's fine. Mouth exasperated closed. Oh, I should have that be open instead of middle. Mouth exasperated open. There we go. Eyes confused front. Paste them into the thing. And now we have expression number 2. Oh, okay, there's probably some instructions on how to do different expressions actually. So, yep, so we've got the eyes. We use the on-blinking, importing custom sprites, yep. Saving and loading, sharing and importing, adding avatar to OBS. Oh. Okay. Ah, here we go. You will have access to 10 alternate costume slots for your avatar. Is PNGTuber plus a virus? My sprites are too big. File not found. My mic is building up delay. The thing runs like shit. Is alternate costumes about alternate expressions, or I think it must be. Okay, well let's have a look. How do we get our different costumes? Ah, here we go. Wait, how do we do that? Alternate costumes. So, pressing the 1 to 9 keys, the sprite will appear only on costume layers. What are the costume layers? Each sprite. Oh, I see. Okay, all right. Ah, I see. All right. Okay. All right. I think I know what I need to do. So, what I do is, we get in the confused eyes, and then we link it as per usual. And we get the open mouth exasperated, and we link it. And then we do the same thing with closed. And we link it. And then we scroll all the way down here and we say that this is, whoops. Oh, I forgot about my arms. Well, let's just keep them for the time being. Mouth exasperated open and closed is only in costume 2. And same thing with this one. And same thing with eyes confused. Yeah. And then mouth happy huge is only on 1. Gosh, it's a lot of clicking. And finally over here. Yeah. So what that means is that when I press 2, oh yeah, I forgot to do the thing where I'm talking. Okay, so exasperated closed. That's closed. And then this is open. Oh no. Oh, I'm sad. And eyes confused is open eyes. Okay, so let's test this out. I feel like the mouth, the closed mouth, should the closed mouth be, should that be higher up? Oh, I don't know. Let's have a look. Still bouncing, even though I'm sad. I'm unhappy. Oh my goodness, I'm adorable! I'm so cute! Oh my goodness, look at me! Oh, whoops, no, I disappeared. Look at me! Oh my goodness! The bouncing hair, it just makes all the difference. Although I'm noticing that my hair is bouncing off of my eyeballs, so you can sort of see like, oh, I blinked! Oh my goodness, this is great. Yeah, I'm really happy now. Oh, everything's turning out great for me. Yes. Oh, it's kind of creepy when I'm doing that while I have the sad face on. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is it. All I need to do is just tweak. Sorry, I should put it on the happy one. Yes, all I need to do is tweak it a bit more. And then, like, yes, everything's falling into place. Yes. Yeah, I don't think I'll use it for streaming, as I say, because I like my face. But I think, I don't know. What, can you see this on like my oops, I disappeared, on my video essays? So cool and so simple to set up as well. And like, I mean, to be fair, it was probably simple to set up because I already basically had everything. I basically had a PNGTuber without having the tools to be able to make a PNGTuber, so I just did everything manually. But now I don't need to do things manually. I can just go, and I'll just, my toupee will bounce up and down. It'll be great. Oh my goodness, this is gonna, like, you have no idea how much time it took to just set up those animatics, and it's still like, you know, the end result of having the animatics was, you know, like, it looks not amateurish, but you know, like, it's stylistic on the simple side, but the amount of labor that it took to make these simple looking animatics with different expressions and things depending on like what was being said took so much effort, whereas now I can just 'put a butter and then I'm really sad and then I'm really oh, this changes everything. Wow. Okay, well, I've done what I came here to do. I can probably take my hat off as well now. But you can leave your hat on. That's so cool. Wow. Sorry, I'm just like, you know those moments when you just have like this silly idea and you're like, what if? And then I tried it and it just worked. For once, I didn't do it completely poorly. Neither of these expressions really suit how I'm feeling at the moment. One of them is very concerned. And the other one is just really like feeling their oats in an evil way. That grin is just perfect. Okay. All right, I think that'll do for my playing around with PNGTuber Plus. It's not going to take me very long to like rig up, you know, all these other things. I just need to, the main thing is just going to be, I guess, choosing which expressions to go with. Yeah. Oh, the bouncing. And maybe I can even do an animation of my hair flowing in the wind. No, I'm not gonna do that. That's too much effort. And like, I didn't want anything, you know, really, I don't know, detailed or anything. I just wanted something that would make this work a little bit easier, while perhaps looking a little bit, you know, just mildly better. Because, you know, if there's any differences with the way that the audio is setting up, I can always edit that in post, given that it's just like 2 images that I'm going back and forth between, and like a little bit of squashing and bouncing and that kind of thing. Who bounces while talking, though? You know, it's weird. But anyway, I think I'm gonna move on and maybe. Oh, I mean, this face is correct, because I'm about to play some more Who's Lila, and that's very, very frightening. I enjoy that game.